And today we're going to tell you about our Koolmate AD camping fridge. And we brought it from mygenerator.com.au. And it has a little carry bag to protect it and a pocket for your papers here. And then it has a pocket here to the bottom for your power cord. Then it has these little numbers to tell you the temperature, and it has a little switch to turn it off and on. And these are the vents which help it work properly. And it can open very, very easily. And it has this little basket, and you can take it out so you can get things from the bottom very easily. And then it easily fits in back again if you have a grown-up to help you. And there's a little step halfway through for your other stuff, and it's very good because it's very big, and we have 6 people in our family that uses it, and we like to camp for a while. And
we're very happy with it.
And we're very happy with it.